Hey guys, welcome back to our third campaign. I'm so excited to share with you these products we have been working on. As you saw earlier from our adventure, we are introducing a brand new system for the Tesla Model Y, and we are calling it Lite. It is 40% lower profile than the original camper kit, our slimmest ever. Despite its slim profile, we have made sure that the drawer is high enough to accommodate most induction cooktops and large enough for plenty of other camping gears. Of course, having a dedicated compartment is not only great for camping, but also fantastic as an everyday organizer for work and life. For those of you who are weekend campers or ultra minimum travelers, we have designed a new way to provide you a flat and comfortable sleeping platform. And the best part, all the pieces for the sleeping platform are so small that you can just toss them in the sub-trunk. Check this out. This is it. Let me show you how it works. We have incorporated the taper design from our original camper kit. If you ever camped in your Tesla before, you may find this uncomfortable due to the angle of the seats. The taper counteracts the angle to give you a fully flat sleeping experience. Simply put these four pieces together like I did, and reuse your sub-trunk covers. Boom, bam, boom, balabit boom. Building and designing things were never something I thought about when I started traveling and living out of my Tesla Model Y. Initially, it was simply a way to address the inconveniences I encountered during my travels. Later, I noticed that some of you faced the similar challenges, and I realized that there were no camping systems specifically designed for EVs. So I set out to create products that I hope will also inspire you to venture out of civilizations from time to time. The product journey wasn't always smooth, especially considering I didn't have a background in engineering or running businesses. However, we are incredibly excited to bring everything we have learned, and for the first time ever, to the Rivian R1S. Similar to the camper kit Lite for the Model Y, we have designed this as a single drawer system, giving you the maximum space for storage and utility. The lift-up covers expands your usable surface, and the front even comes down to give you better access to your cooking area. And of course, it is not a throttle system unless you have the full access to your sub-trunk. We are incredibly proud of how we have designed the Rivian R1S system. The entire rear unit sits in the integrated cargo rails and is secured with the adjustable cargo hook that already comes with your car. As an adventure-driven vehicle, I'm sure many of you want to take advantage of Rivian's cab mode. We have created 2 additional sessions to give you the full length for your sleeping area. But not only that, you are also gaining even more storage space. And just like the camper kit light for the Model Y, the front section, including the mid section here, collapse, fold, and they all fit in your sub-trunk. We're so thrilled to see all the incredible places you explore with the camper kit light for the Model Y and the camper kit for the R1S. We can't wait to hear all about the exciting stories from your camping adventures and the new friendships you'll forge along the way. Shipping for both models starts this summer with a limited time exclusive discount available only for the duration of this campaign. All orders also come with an invitation for an adventure with me in the following months: California in July, Oregon, Washington, and British Columbia in August, and more. If you're watching this from YouTube, leave a comment below and let me know where we should go. Last but not least, stay adventurous, and I hope to see you out in the wild.